Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn the basics of simple interest installment. Let's take an example. What annual installment will discharge a debt of Rs 848 due at the end of 4 years at 4% per annum simple interest? The answer to this question is Rs 200. Let's see how that works. So you are required to pay Rs 848 at the end of 4 years. At the end of the first year, you make your first installment of Rs 200, which stays in the bank during the second year, during the third year, and during the fourth year. At the end of the second year, you make another installment of Rs 200, which stays in the bank during the third year and during the fourth year. At the end of the third year, you make another installment of Rs 200, which stays in the bank during the final year. At the end of the fourth year, you make an installment of Rs 200, which frees all debts. Now your first installment of Rs 200 stayed in the bank for 3 years. So the bank will give you interest for those 3 years. 3 into rate of interest was 4%, 200. Total of 24 rupees interest the bank will pay you. Now your second installment of Rs 200 stayed in the bank for 2 years. So the bank will pay you interest for 2 years. An interest of Rs 16. Now your third installment was with the bank for 1 year only. So you get an interest of 1 year from the bank. 1 year interest is Rs 8. So you were required to pay Rs 848 by 4 years. You made 4 installments of Rs 200 each, total of 800. You get 24 rupees interest for the first installment, 16 rupees interest for the second installment, and an 8 rupees interest for your third installment. So you have paid Rs 848. This is how simple interest installment works. Now let's derive an equation for this. Let's say you are due an amount of Rs A. Sorry. You paid an installment of Rs I during the first year. Let's say you are repaying an amount of Rs A by n equal installments of Rs I. Your first installment will stay in the bank for n minus 1 years. So it will get an interest of. Now your second installment will stay in the bank for n minus 2 years. So you will get an interest of etc. etc. Your second last installment will stay in the bank for 1 year. So you will get 1 year's interest. Your last installment will not give you any interest. So amount due is equal to n times I plus, let's take I into R by 100 common here, I into R by 100 into, now the rest of the terms is 1 plus 2 plus etc. plus up to n minus 1 terms. We know that this is n minus 1 into n by 2. This is an AP. So in summary, amount due, let's take a new page. Amount due equals ni plus n minus 1 into n by 2 into R by 100 into I. This is the equation for simple interest installment. Now let's move on to some questions. What annual installment will discharge a debt of Rs 9,000 due 5 years hence at a 10% rate of interest? All you have to do is substitute the values. 9,000 is equal to 5i plus 4 into 5 by 2 into 10 by 100 into I. If you solve it, you get I is equal to 1500. Hope you have done it. Moving on to the next question. A man borrowed a sum of rupees 6,000 at 10% per annum and repaid it in 5 equal annual installments. Find each installment. We have to find the amount due 5 years hence. So, if a man borrowed rupees 6,000 at 10% per annum, amount due at the end of 5 years is P into 1 plus NR by 100, 5 into 10 by 100, which is equal to 9,000. So, this question is the same as the last one. Amount due is 9,000. 9,000 is equal to 5i plus 4 into 5 by 2 into R by 100 times I. Solving this, I is equal to 1500. I am not going to do it. We have already done it once. Moving on to the next question. A man bought a TV worth rupees 10,000 and made a down payment of rupees 4,000 and repaid the remaining debt in 5 equal annual installments. Find each installment. So, a man bought a TV for 10,000 rupees and immediately made a down payment of rupees 4,000 rupees. So, this is the same as if he had borrowed rupees 6,000. He now has to pay 6,000 rupees at the end of 5 years. So, amount due again is equal to 6,000 into 1 plus NR by 100. 10 by 100 is equal to 9,000. This is the same question as the last one and the one before that. I is equal to 1500 here also. Moving on to the next question. A man borrowed a sum of rupees 6,000 and repaid it in 5 equal annual installments of rupees 1500. Find the rate of interest. This is the same as we have been doing all day. So, amount due is 6,000 into 1 plus those who are watching this video, please pause the video and try to do it on your own. 1 plus NR by 100 is equal to NI plus N minus 1 into N by 2 into R by 100 into I. Here I is equal to 1500, N is equal to 5. So you have to solve it. Find R. So solving 6000 is plus 300R is equal to 7500 plus 150R. So 150R is equal to 1500. R is equal to 10%. Hope you got this answer. Now moving on to the final question. This was asked in an SSC examination. An old article is available for rupees 12,000 or it is available at 7,000 cash payment and a monthly installment of rupees 630 for 8 months. The rate % per annum is. Pause this video and try to do it on your own. Let's. Okay, hope you did it. Now, the value of this TV is 12,000. You can buy it by making a down payment of rupees 7,000. So you are due rupees 5,000, which you repay in 8 installments of rupees 630 plus 7 interest on that, 7 into 8 by 2 into R by 100 into I, 630. So amount due is, sorry, here amount due is 5000 into 1 plus 8R by 100. Now we have to solve this. An important thing to note here is that here I took rate of interest R as rate of interest for 1 month only. Here we are making down payment every other month. Here R is equal to rate for 1 month in this question. So when I finally find, if I finally get R is equal to 1%, it is 1% for 1 month. So to find rate of interest for 1 year, I have to multiply whatever I get with 12. I am doing this for monthly. I am taking R is equal to rate for 1 month. Whatever value for R I get, I have to multiply that with 12 to find the rate of interest for 1 year. Hope you do this question. The answer to this question is R is equal to 2.1%. I will look at this question on the next video. Thank you.